Now let's go from companies to individuals, how we are managing it, how it has changed your own work culture, your own strategies. So, another fact, over half of the employees who are working remotely work more than 40 hours. So, before uh, going deep into it, let me ask you, what is your average work hours per week? Around,
It's
I would say 35 to 40?
no,
40
it's
hours.
40 to 41, yeah, around that.
Yeah. So what they have found out is for people who were working less than 40 hours when they were working through office, people have realized that even though you feel like if you work from home, you won't have to work as much as you were working before. But now actually you are spending more time working from home because it's so flexible. There is no time limit. So it's very hard to stick to a schedule. So it turns out that you are working more,
Yeah.
and it is affecting your schedule.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. I'm really working for some days like more than 9 hours, sometimes a day, which should be in picture should be like 8 hours. I'm talking about working hours, not the off times like lunch and all. As I mentioned, as I can say about this is, when you are in office, you go at a particular time and you leave at a particular time. Maybe in odd days you may are leaving early or you are leaving late. That's an exception. But you go at a particular time and you leave at a particular time, and then you have that. Especially for me, I have that switch off thing where as soon as I get out of office, I'm switched off from work, and then I start thinking maybe the work is still in my mind, but I'm switched off particularly from my work. But when it comes to working from home, you're not really switched off. You get up, maybe you have a coffee and something, and you start your work, and it just keeps it goes with along with you for the rest of the day. And
Yeah,
yeah,
you don't know when to
correct.
end it.
Sometimes it's difficult, and it has been difficult for me. Sometimes I just don't know when to end. It looks like okay, 6 o'clock. Okay, I can just stretch it more than 6:30, and I'm like just working till 6:30. Maybe in a normal office day, I may just switch off at 5:30. So that's something. Yeah, that's one of the things. Where in work from home, I did realize that I'm spending a little more time on work, good or bad. That's debatable, because sometimes I feel it's good for me, and sometimes you can say if you have a personal life, sometimes it does not really take a toll on personal life, but then you are into work 24 hours.
I would say the one of the biggest reasons for something like that to happen is the fusion of your office time and your office work hours. Like for example, when you're at office, you are there 9 to 5. You're not going away from your desk for more than like half an hour for lunch or 1 hour from lunch. But when you're at home, you might get up for coffee, you might go do some cooking, make some breakfast in the morning, or so what's happening is you lose track of how many hours you have actually spent working, and you're always thinking like, oh, I need to finish this today. There are some targets that you need to finish by the end of the day, and since you're at the same place the entire day, you're not really able to calculate that, oh, you actually worked for 9 or 10 hours. And that's what is causing you to stretch your work the entire day.
But it has some advantages as well. So even for married people, it's better because then you don't have to leave your children to someone else. You can properly take care of them. You can work as well. So yeah, it has some advantages and disadvantages. And as you said, that because Sanjay prefers working from office, he has his own reasons. And because Vikram prefers working from home, he has his own reasons. But because I think that it's more dependent on in which type of job you're doing and in which industry you are in. Like, for example, if you are you are a consultant, or you are in marketing, or even if you are doing what Sanjay does, which is civil engineering, you like going outside, working outside from office, or meeting your clients, working with them. While if you are an IT engineer, or if you are a developer, you prefer sitting on your desk, not going anywhere, or you know what we say about cliche nerds. So I'm not saying that Vikram is a nerd, but this is what the common definition is for an IT developers, and that's what we actually prefer. I am one of them. So we prefer being in a comfortable environment, sitting whenever we want, working, because we do not have to worry about when our day is ending and are we able to meet the targets or not.